Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to change the username in Windows 11 operating system. Click on search here, type here control panel. You can see the dashboard control panel app here. Click on this. Here we can see the user accounts. Click on this. Here you can see the user accounts, and here click on the change account type. In my case, I have only one user, is administrator. Okay, so click on this. So here the account name I have given GVS. Okay, so click on change the account name. Type the new account name as test. Okay, now click on the change name button. Now we can see it has got changed to test. And also you can change the password here. If you want to change the password, click on the change password. Here type the current password and type the new password, and type the new password again for the confirm the new password. And here type the password thing. You can provide any one character over here. Okay. So now click on the change password button. And once the password is got changed, so when you are trying to log in again, so that time use the new password. So you can also change the account type. So click on this, change the account type. In my case, it was their administrator. Okay, so if you want to create any user for your family members or anyone, so you can create a user and provide a account type as standard for them. So the administrator have complete control over the PC. They can change any settings and access all of the files and programs stored on the PC. Okay, and standard accounts can use most software and change system settings that don't affect other users or the security of this PC. So if you want to provide any user account, you can create a one user account for your family members or your friends or something. So you can select it as account type as standard for them. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.